Welcome to Read and Learn. Day 1. Let's read. A, E, E, O, O. Let's repeat. A, E, E, O, O. These are the vowels. A, A, A. A is for ant. A is for apple. A is for arrow. A, E, E, E. E is for egg. E is for elbow. E is for elf. E, 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 E. E is for insect. E is for igloo. E is for infant. E. O, O, O. O is for octopus. O is for owl. O is for octagon. O, 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 O. O is for under. O is for umpire. O is for up. O. Let's read more. A, A, A. E, E, E. E, E, E. O, O, O. O, O, O. O. E, E. O. A. E, E. O. E. O. A. O. E. O. Now it's your turn, children. Good job. E, E, elevator. A, A, arc. E, E, elephant. O, O, upper. E, E, Indian. A, anchor. O, O, oval. Remember, children, the vowel sound. A, E, E, O, O. Please repeat. Good job. See you in day 2.